Okay, welcome back to my channel. On my last video I talked about how you can install the S358A3.2 and install any firmware of your choice. So today, in case you install and you are having something like this on your display, okay, the image is upside down, then the picture, the color is not normal, so never to worry. I'll show you how you can, okay, in case you install and you get something like this, I'll show you how you can set that. All you need to do is to enter the factory menu or engineering mode, and to do this, all you need to press is source 208. Just take your time when you are pressing that. When you press source, wait for the source to display, then you press 208. So let me do it. Source, okay, displayed 208. Yeah, that's the mode. So all you need to do, scroll down to panel, because right now I want to work on the panel. So come here, the screen and the display picture. So okay, then we change panel type is constant for this screen. The resolution of this screen is 1366 by 768, so we leave that is okay. Then we change this from 10 bits. What we are using is 6 bits, so what we are using is 8 bits, so we change to 8 bits. Okay, here it is. Then for the image that is upside down, we go to mirror, turn it off. Okay, menu out, then turn off the TV, put it back on. All right, so for those of you that are facing issues like this is an easy way to get this done on the S358A3.2 Android motherboard. If you like the video, please subscribe and also give a thumbs up. Then don't forget to share the video. Thank you very much. I see